So I thought I would do a series of videos here. We were taken by surprise there when we found out that they're taking down 3 mature trees right beside my apartment here, where I live in the beach in Toronto. And I've never seen this done before, so I thought, why not? And I know there are lots of people out there who like to look at these kinds of videos, so I thought I would do a series of videos. Now they've gone up and they've taken away a lot of the branches, the bigger branches, as you can see. But the really cool part of this for me is when these enormous branches come down, the way they tie them off. And this guy clearly knows what he's doing. He makes these precision cuts, and the big branches fall away exactly as he wants them to. But of course they're attached to ropes, so they'll fall away, and then they'll just be hanging there. And then he lowers it, or these guys actually who are controlling the ropes, they lower them down to the ground, and then they cut them up to smaller sizes, and they go into, I just had to unplug my phone, and then they go straight into the chipper that they've got set up over there. Now the bigger branches obviously don't go into the chipper, but I was still surprised to see how big some of the branches are that do go into that chipper. So he's getting set up now. He's getting set up now to remove the bigger branches. And of course I have a front row seat here. My balcony overlooks this rock garden, so I've already had a few of my neighbors from the other apartments come over. One of them was joking that I should start selling tickets. So we got something different to see, something interesting, and something fun. It's going to change things for us who live on this side of the building, but they have no choice, because as you can see how close these trees are to the building, the roots have literally punched their way through the walls over the years, and they're causing all kinds of plumbing and electrical problems. So the trees absolutely have to go. It's a shame. For me, I loved having them here just because they're for the sake of what they are, right? I love having trees here, but we also were protected from the afternoon sun. Okay, I think what he's going to do is he's going to take that whole thing down just above him. Let's see where he ties it off, and then I'll have a better idea. I think he's going to take that whole thing down, or maybe just one of those 2 that are sticking out there on the end. See the 2 main branches there. Okay, he's just going to do one at a time. So he's going to take that one off first. So that tie that he's got on it now, he's going to cut below that, and then as it falls away, it's just going to swing down and then hang on the end of that rope, and then the other guys will lower it down and cut it up into smaller pieces. Okay, so the line that he's got there is actually attached to that piece that he's going to cut away now.
Hey, yep. Oh, you guys need to grab that rope. Don't pull on it yet. Yep. That's going to be a rope to pull it in there instead of using your hands. Yep. Pull it in there, you guys, pull hard. Pull hard. Hey, guys. Let it down, bud. You can pull that button there now. Hang on, man. Let's go, Leonard.
Okay, so that's another one down.
So don't pull too much of that yellow way. Yep. Tie them together.
They make it look so easy.